Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert video to MP4. So let's have a look now. To convert video to MP4, I'm using VLC Media Player. If you don't have this application, then open your web browser, search for VLC Media Player, click on download. Once it's downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. After completing the installation, open VLC Media Player. Now go to the top left of the screen, tap on Media, tap on Convert Save. Now click on the Add button and add your video file. After that, click on Convert Save. Now select the correct profile. Click here and from the list choose MP4. Then go and choose the destination. Choose where the file is going to saved. Click on Browse. Enter the name of your video. Click Save. Now click on Start. And you will see that the video is converted to MP4. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.